they talk for your mouth. Say Ronaldo better pass Neymar. See, Neymar remains me goat of all gold. Not get what anybody wants me for this life.
Oga, come on there. Who be Neymar? Where Ronaldo there?
Nah, tell you don't say you be my guy. I for push slap for this your buy. You be like something they do you.
Oga, if you
try,
want
follow they do that one.
If you try, I go change that for
see,
you.
See, Neymar better. Hey, bros. Abel, no best excuse us. I must see me see this old man. When they follow me out, you say Ronaldo better pass Neymar. Abel, bros. Ronaldo and Neymar, which one better pass?
Is that why you had to stop me this Sunday morning?
Are
you aware I'm on my way to church this Sunday morning? Get it behind me, you devil.
Leave that man. We don't know. See, not try this new, not try now. You think they worry you.
Oga, you know me, Ronaldo.
I go slap this your buy.
Who go see them, man?
A woman cannot be stronger than a man.
Why will a man be beating woman? Eh?
A woman cannot be.
Oga, don't make that mistake.
Mommy, see
Oga, what's wrong with you now? No, what is your problem? Why are you beating a woman like this? Can you fight with your fellow man?
How will she be going to church just like this? You have to go and seduce pastor.
You see him? But madam, if your partner tells you he's not comfortable with the way you are dressed, you change it. Change it.
My life looking at that case every time we are going out.
Me.
In fact, you are mad. You're stupid. You're crazy.
Are you seeing her?
Yeah.
Let me beat this girl.
Oga. Oga. Oga.
Baby. Who has killed my boyfriend? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. He has killed my boyfriend.
I was on my way to church this Sunday morning. I saw this man beating his girlfriend. So I rushed out to come and separate them.
Okay, you say you dey go church?
Yeah.
Where your Bible?
I have a Bible right now. As I was trying to separate them, this man fell on the floor by mistake. Hit his head on the floor and he can't even breathe. He's not even breathing.
That's a lie. Me and my boyfriend, we have never foreseen our relationship. You just came, we having our romantic moment. You came and you crying.
Oga, I want to go. You don't buy market today. I want to go.